Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to be opening day number 15 of our Advent calendar for 2024, and I can't wait. I hope you're excited too. This has been so much fun. I hope you're having fun creating with these items. It's day number 15. It's only 10 days until Christmas. Can you believe it? We've had some crazy weather here. I know I'm filming a little ahead of time, but yesterday it was 80 degrees here in Florida. And today I woke up and it was 41 outside. I have my sweater on. It's chilly out and it's starting to feel like Christmas here, I guess you could say. Anyway, let's go ahead and go down to the table and let's open day number 15. I'm super excited about this. I can kind of see through my bag a little bit, and I know what it is. As I mentioned before in the beginning, I designed everything and know everything that's in the calendar, but I don't particularly know exactly which day they're going to be on. All right, I'm super excited about this. So this is our Advent calendar cut-ups. So these are foilable cut-ups. So we've given you some foils. You can definitely foil these. You can also use them as is. You can color them in a little bit, add some color to them if you don't foil, and you can use them as they are. They're pre-cut designs. So they're pre-cut, ready to foil, and they're super fun to use for your cards. Oops, I've already dropped one. We've got a small little poofy heart there. I've made these to coordinate with our Advent calendar pieces, so it goes along with the birthday theme. Look at this. We've got a large tag that says celebrate. Oh, so many pieces. I've got some little hearts and stars. We've got candles, multiple candles here, nice and large, so they make a nice bold statement on your card. We've got Make-A-Wish. Here's some more candles, stars, and hearts. I love those candles. We've got a nice big stack of gifts. Oh, look at this. Look at that. We've got like a drippy edge that says Happy Birthday across the top. How fun is that? We've got some big poofy stars. Those are very similar to the star dies that we opened a few days ago. We've got some balloons. Here's another stack of gifts. We've got Happy Birthday, Make-A-Wish, another balloon. Look at that big cupcake. How fun. Here's another candle, another little poofy star. Here's a little Happy Birthday with the big H and B. We have, oh goodness, I'm dropping them. I've got a party hat. I love that. How fun. Another big cupcake. I've got another tag. This one says all kinds of celebratory words across it. I've got another Happy Birthday. Look at that tag with the loopy borders. So fun. I've got another candle. There's a little heart, another fun little party hat, and then two more tags, one with just some stripes. I mean, you could use that for anything. And then another one with some more little drippy toppings on it with Happy Birthday at the bottom. These are so fun. I can't wait to create some cards with these, and I hope you're excited about creating with them too. Thanks so much again for joining me for day 15. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow. We'll open day 16. Until then, keep living the creative life.